What kept you going?
Hate.
There's a reason you're still here.
There's a reason I'm a big fucker and I'm tough to kill.
No, a reason. Your sister. Pretty sister. I should have taken her. That night the Blackwater burned.
I don't give two shits about wildlings. Gingers I hate.
Gingers are beautiful. You're kissed by fire. Just like you.
Don't point your fucking finger at me.
I don't think you truly mean it. You have sad eyes.
Of mercy, save our sons.
Get her a dog, she'll be happier for it.
We pray, stay the swords and stay the arrows. Let them know a better day. Gentle mother, font of mercy, save our sons from war, we pray. Stay the swords and stay the arrows. Let them know a better day.
Would you sing a song for me, little bird?
Gentle
A song about knights and fair maidens.
mother,
One sing.
strength of women,
You won't hurt me.
help our daughter
I don't know any songs.
through
Not anymore.
this fray. Soothe the wrath and tame the fury. Teach us all a kinder way. Hey, hey, ho. Hey, hey, ho. Hey, hey, ho. Hey, hey, ho. Stay the sword.
All right now, little
And
bird,
stay
you're all right.
the arrow.
This way. You hurt me, lady. Little bird's bleeding. Someone take her back to the cage. See to that cut. Don't open the gate. I didn't feel for you.
I should have come to you after. Thank you for saving me. You were so brave.
Brave. A dog doesn't need courage to chase off rats.
Does it give you joy to scare people?
It gives me joy to kill people.
Why are you always so hateful?
You'll be glad of the hateful things I do someday when you're queen, and I'm all that stands between you and your beloved king.
Gentle mother, font of mercy, save our son from war, we pray.
What are you doing here?
Not here for long. I'm going
Where?
someplace that isn't burning. North, might be. Could be. I can take you with me. Take you to Winterfell.
Gentle mother,
I'll keep you safe.
font of mercy,
Want to go home?
save